We're going to wait till we finish this and then we can go. Okay, baby. All right, so for this one, I know that we did this at like 2:59 yesterday. So I want to walk back through it again just to make sure we're all on the same page. Does everyone understand? Yes. This is on 16A. I want to write a learning target because I'm not real sure when we last wrote a learning target. Oh, we did. I can write a geometric proof. We don't need one. We got that. Still the same learning target. So we started with the measure of angle 1 plus the measure of angle 2 is the definite. Is that somebody at the door? Yes. Is the definition of linear pairs. We are. They just really want to be in math class. Now, can anybody tell me why angle 1 and angle 2 are linear pairs? You did not even come in here. No. Did anyone see that?
I saw him. He was walking out the hallway when I was coming back.
No. Maybe you should do your work.
I do.
Who are you lying to? Okay. Now let's talk about why we said these are linear pairs. The reason we added up to 180 is because they make a straight line. And that is the definition of linear pairs. Now, what did we do from this line to this line? We plugged in because they told us that the measure of angle 2 was what? 115. Do we agree or disagree? And then they subtracted and got 65. Now, can you guys please look at example 2 with me? Tell me why they added these together and set it equal to 90. Because that box and it's a right angle. So what kind of angles are these? Complementary. Take a point. So this is the definition of complementary angles. It might be. We're going to make, so I think it would really help if we made one of these. With all of that on there. We're going to do that, and then I'm going to, I think flashcards would help. I don't know. Y'all got to come up with something.
When did we get that?
This?
Yeah.
Yesterday. Stop talking to me for a moment. Thanks. Okay, so then, the directions told us that the measure of angle 2 was 20. So what did they do from here to here?
Substitution.
And then what's the last thing they did?
It's not.
What is it?
It's not.
What's your name?
The other sheet. Pardon?
Brian.
Martin hesitated. You're like, yeah, Brian with an A.
I like to start with this. You're just going to start with this. You're like a Brian.
It's okay, Nakia. You're not the only person they got to. They told me he was Australian. He was Australian.
Gustavo.
It's complex question.
I believe anything people say. Don't talk to me.
Okay, let's look at this one now. Does everybody understand how we did these proofs?
Yeah.
Okay.
No, what's happening?
Why don't you understand? Why? What part of it? Okay, baby. You know that when two angles add together to get 90, that's complementary angles? Okay? And you know that when you plug in something, that's called substitution? And then we subtracted 20 from both sides? What don't you understand?
I got it.
Oh my God.
At the beginning, but not yet.
Okay. All right, let's look at this one.
Ripping a titty off with her.
What?
It's recording.
Oh, shoot.
Send that to her, mother.
Oh my sweet potatoes. No, that's not how it works, Tater Tot. No, I can. No. All right, let's look at this one. Dear God, if you touch that, I will hurt you.
It's a little cold.
I don't care, y'all. I'm hot.
I don't care. Stop it. I know.
That's what we do. TV show.
Now, what kind of angles are 7 and 8? They're linear. That means that they add up to equal what?
180.
Okay, now, do we know what the measure of angle 7 is? 5x plus 5. Do we know what angle 8 is?
Yes.
So would we add those together and set it equal to?
180.
Look at us go.
We're smart.
Eh. Alright, now, what's 5x plus x? Okay, can we say that a little faster? Because we're like... Okay, thank you so much. And what's 5 minus 5?
0.
Those cancel and die. And what do we do with the 180? Bring it down and then we divide it by? And what is 80? What is this divided by 6? 30. Okay, now, does it tell us to find the value of x or find the value of each angle? Are you sure?
Each angle.
Each angle. So that means we need to plug x in. Now, we're going to plug it into the easier one. What is 30 minus 5?
20.
25. Now, if these add up to equal 180, can't we just do 180 minus 25 to get our other angle? What's 180 minus 25?
I don't know. That's like 175.
Oh my gosh.
175 is 25. 175. What? Oh, shoot. Oh,
There is something wrong with y'all. Ravenclaw, you get a point for getting that. Good job. Can't hear you. I know. Alright, number 2. Now, do all of these make a straight line? They make a linear pair. So what does that mean that they add up to equal? So you're going to do 5x plus 4x plus 6 plus 10x plus 12x minus 12 equals 180. Please don't be babies and moan about this. I can't handle it today. Now, what's 5x plus 4x? 9x plus 10x plus 12x? We know. Okay? What? I'm just adding. Hey. Alright, what is 6 minus 12?
6 minus 12. Oh. Shit.
And then what do I do from here? Stop being annoying. Whatever you're doing, stop. Just because you're not in the front of the room right beside me doesn't mean that you can be annoying. I know. Do you even have your notebook out? Okay. Thank you, my child. Alright, now you divide by 31. What's 186 divided by 31? What? Somebody divide this, please.
What?
Stop that.
186 divided by 31 is 6.
I don't know. You were saying 9. You were saying all kinds of stuff. And then I stopped listening to you. I apologize.
It's 6.
Okay, now you would take this and plug it back in. We don't have time.
How do you say 6 in Spanish?
Says.
6.
Yes, because that's what we say in math class. Alright, so please, in the top drawer of your tower, there are papers, binder clipped, geometry. Get them out.
I gotta go home and watch it.
Tonight your homework is 4, 5, 6 on this page. 4, 5, 6 on this page right here. Skills practice. 2, 8, 4, 5, 6.
1, 2, 3, 4.